I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Welcome back to day 3 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. And we're going to dig right in. We're going to open day 3 because I'm so excited about it. Pretty sure I know what it is. And I can't wait because you know how much I love what I think is in here. Let's do it. Day 3. Oh, I ripped the sticker a little. It was bound to happen. Yay! That's what I thought it was. It is fabric. Yay, yay, yay. Oh my goodness. Very springy. This is Maywood Studios Mix and Match Charms, 42 charms. It's mimosa. No, it's not mimosa. That's not how you spell mimosa. I'll put it up here what the name of it is. Masa mia? Masa? I don't know. Anyway, it's probably a common word that I'm saying completely wrong because I'm so excited. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Let's open it up. Oh, they're so pretty. They're all like very spring colors. Orange, my favorite color. Yellow and green and turquoise. Oh my goodness. Look at how pretty this is. Oh, I love it. I love that we got fabric. I love it. So pretty. Yay, 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 yay. Oh, that's always my favorite day when we get fabric. All right, let's talk about yesterday's item, which is this mini 28 millimeter rotary blade. And I have the OG. This is what I have from like, I don't know, 1992 or something. It's a really great rotary cutter. Of course, I change the blade all the time, but it's been around for a long, long time. I love it. In fact, I even have it marked like with some rickrack because I never want to lose this if I'm at a workshop or something because I love this thing. So me going to a different one, not probable to happen, but why can't I talk today? I think the fabric is clouding my brain. Not going to happen probably, but this is going to be a great backup when I can't find this one, which hardly ever happens, but still. Anyway, this is a really cute rotary cutter. On the blade, it actually says, "We wish you a quilty Christmas," which is really cute. It's, you know, like a candy cane. It's the red and white. So cute. It does have like some weight at the top, which I know a lot of people like. You know, if you love it, that's great. You know, I think because I'm so used to this one, I don't know. I can't get used to the weighted top on these. This is a great tool that we all can use. All quilters can use an extra one. It's awesome. All right. So on their website for the full price for the Clara, different colors though. It's $19. That brings our total to $37 for day 1 and 2. Crazy. It's already great. That puts the balance at $162.95 if you bought it for the same price I did it, $199.95. And then we have this to add to it. So we're doing really, really well. I think so. At least the value is there. All right, duck count. There's still only 2. Now, somebody had mentioned to check the bags for ducks, which I haven't been doing. I'll look at the bags. I will add that to the duck count for sure. So right now it's 2. There might be more coming. Tomorrow we might have an update on that. Okay, we're gonna guess at day 4. So this is your warning. If you don't wanna see, you wanna move along, that's fine. You can. So warning, warning, warning. Warning, warning, warning. Here we go. I'm lifting it up. All right, this is day 4. And you know what? There is a Chuck the Duck on here, so that's true. I need to check that out. Looks like it's a QR code too. Okay. I wonder if that's the QR code for the item, if it's a video. Look, there's a QR code on this too. I bet that's the video. Oh my gosh, how sneaky. That's interesting. All right. This is probably, I think, a template of some sort, but they feel very big. Now, usually they send fabric and then they send a project, or the next day it's a project, or vice versa. So I'm thinking it's a project to go with this, but they seem big, and this isn't very big for the size of the templates. So I don't know, but that's what it feels like. It feels like templates. Oh, they slide. Maybe there's a pattern in there too. There's definitely, they're rigid. I don't want to bend them because I don't want to break them. That would be my luck. Interesting. All right, I can't wait to see what this is and see if we have a project that goes along with this. And I'm going to check out those QR codes and add up the ducks. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew. I'll see you tomorrow when we open day 4. Yay!